Artist. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a heart into a Valentine's Day monster. It's really fun and super simple. Then we're going to open a present or gift, a surprise, and see what our monster is going to get. So grab your pencil and paper. I can't wait to start drawing with you. So to draw a Valentine's Day monster, you need to have a heart. And hearts can be a little tricky to draw. So this is how I draw a heart. I tend to start with half of it, and then I try and draw the same half. Now the great thing about this monster is if the heart doesn't look great, it's okay. It still will look like a monster. So just draw a heart as best as you can. And then we're going to add a line right here. That becomes the monster's nose. And I'm going to make it a nice dark red color. But you can color your monster at the very end. I'm just adding a little color as we go along. Now we're going to draw the monster's eyes. Look at these big goofy eyes, just like this. I think I'll make those light blue in color. This part here is going to be the monster's mouth. So I'm going to draw a big curved line like this. It's a happy monster. Curved line here and here. Let's draw a little line coming down from the nose like so. And then let's add some fun monster teeth. Just like that. Mine are a little sharp, but not crazy. I'm going to color those white. And the monster's face is a light pink color. Okay, we need to draw the top of the monster's head. But first, let's add some big goofy eyebrows to this character. I'm going to draw an eyebrow here and one right there. And then let's go ahead and draw a line here and over here. And at the top of the head, we can add just a few little hairs like so. And we're going to make the face, or I'm sorry, the head, we're going to make it a slightly darker pink in color. Okay, we could add other things to the head. For instance, for our monster, since monsters aren't real, you can do so many different things. You could add some really big monster ears, if that's what you like. Something like that. Or you could also add some big monster horns with stripes. So you decide what you want to add to your monster. You won't be wrong. Now we're going to draw the monster's body. So what we're going to do is we're going to rock our pencil back and forth. We're going to add a furry line to this. So we're going to draw half of our monster's body here. And the other half of our monster's body down like this and connect at the bottom. Let's draw the monster's legs and feet. We're going to draw what looks like a capital letter B resting on its side with monster toenails. Just like that. And then we can draw the legs. We just draw a line here, and then a line here, and a line right there. And just like that, we have our monster's legs. And then the arms, we're going to make big outstretched arms. Getting ready to give you a big monster hug. So let's just draw a line like this and another line like this. And at the end of those arms, let's add big monster claws. And look, we have a monster getting ready to give you a big old monster hug. Hey, we need to open the gift or the present and see what amazing thing our monster is going to have for Valentine's Day. Let's take a look inside of this box and see what our monster is going to get. It is a pizza, a heart-shaped pizza. So we're going to add this heart-shaped pizza to our monster. And I don't know, would this monster have a giant heart-shaped pizza, or maybe make it a little bit smaller? Put it right there. Excellent. Well, artists, I had a blast drawing with you today. I hope you enjoyed drawing your monster. Can't wait to draw with you in the next video. Hey, remember, every drawing tells a story.
Hey, if you like this video, then you'll love Harptooniacs. It's a members-only subscription art site. Learn drawing, cartooning, animation, and digital art. No commercials, save content, and most of all, fun! Watch Harptoonians on your tablet or phone, or cast the lessons onto your TV for group drawing. Print activity pages, blank character sheets, and blank comic book pages. And you get to spin your very own interactive picker wheel to change your characters and drawings. And you can try 3 free lessons today when you click on the link in the description below.
Grab your pencil and your paper.